each boss two security. I don't know na n'ilu from the glass tinye security. Ndị vigilante na akwaji igbe ndị odeshi.
This is shocking news. Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this medium to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video, commenting, and also praying for our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But the reason why I bring this particular video here is for all the Biafrans who want to travel from Lagos State to East this December. This message is for you. So just take much of your time and watch this video. As you watch this particular video, do not forget to share, because it will save a lot of lives and property for those who want to travel from Lagos to East. So stay tuned and share from this our brother, and do not forget to share so that other Biafrans can also benefit from this particular video, because this man that people have seen on my screen talk a lot of things that will happen, and we need to listen to him because he's making a lot of sense. And the governors that we have need to put mouth on this, and they need to see this particular video because it is very, very important for us to understand. So share this video so that all the governors will see. One love.
Each boss two security. I don't know na n'ilu from the glass tinye security. Ndị vigilante na akwaji igbe ndị odeshi. Young Shagro Motors, GEO Motors, God is Good Motors, Evan Chuku Transport, Peace Mass, Nothing Past God. Kedova. For now, on that now, the top chat. When I'm going to have a go festive period. I know festive period now, and watch when I found a house have a goka. And what even a more remedy? So it's even a more remedy bong. Ndine travel. Kuchi na mma na unu ga-azụ this season. Even na chi yo unu biko. Abịa na seat nọ n'iru ọ mmadụ na-aba n'anya. Abịa na seat nọ na middle mmadụ eto. Abịa na seat nọ na the second one mmadụ eto. Or mmadụ eto. Abịa na nke nọ n'azụ mmadụ eto. Which is 3-seater with nke na nọ n'ilu. I don't know na n'ilu from the glass tinye security. Ndị vigilante na akwaji igbe ndị odeshi. Abịa n'azụ n'isi glass tinye security. Each boss two security. Onwelu kabasi ana wee nwebe dịka attack n'ụzọ. Onye Fulani ga-akwụsị bọọsụ gị. Ife ọ ga-ebu n'obi bụ ka ọ nwụrụ ha na ndụ. Ọ man like egbe egbe. Ka ọ nwụrụ ha na ndụ nwụba ha n'ime ọbịa. Ọ ife o bu n'obi. Then ife ndị security iti na moto, ife fa bu n'obi bụ ka akpọpe. So fafụkwa na lafa from afar. Boy. Ha dobe 2 or 3 people na ndị ọzọ ga-agba ọsọ nwere ịchọla ịnwụ. Ụwa atọka. So even Bible I na go make I that only the violence may take it by force. So this is the only remedy. Because we need na go flight. Now I'm going that no make you na ebe akwa do lose 2 seats. Maka unu amaka anya ego unu nwere business. Nge transport unu amaka anya ego. 5,000 bolu na ego. Now, can I check here this way? Iwepụ mmadụ na abọ from that bus ganwa. Tinye 10,000 n'enu 40,000 or 50,000 ị ga-ana. 50,000 or 10,000 ị add n'enu normal price ị na-ana is better than 10 million naira a ga-akpọrọ onye nwa n'ime ọbịa with early morning 4 o'clock. Is better. Now, ndị kidnap ka ngwa unu menu unu ga-afụ n'ime ọbịa. Nwere ike na n'ịba n'ime ọbịa nye rice and salad with chicken. As nwa $1. Ka ngwa gị ị ga-afụ n'ime ọbịa your menu. Early morning ụla 5 o'clock. Gị kpọọ call ka eweta ego. A ga-akụjisi gị joint na a ga-akụ gị ihe jụọ ndị ebule ebu na a ga-akụ gị ihe. they will make you uncomfortable. And then okwa no fia ka ya alalu. Even ata ya atage. Mosquito ga atage. Even a menu e have ni mo bia. Onwe enwele vi ije gote nni nye gị. Who are you? Enwe ike dide a ga-ebu gị. A ga-ebu onye nwa, God forbid na ọ wụrụ unu ga ga-ebu. Onwe ike 2 days, 3 days emebe phone call. And that 3 days ya nwere ibe ga baga ọnụ. A ga na-akụ gị isi egbe. So that enye gị phone. Ịghọtago? Ịcha all those people ọkụ. Ka eweta ego. Ngado ntị. 10,000 ị ga-etinye n'elu is better than 10 million naira n'ụla 4 o'clock. A ga-ama gị. Then nke nwaanyị bụ na ọnwụ na ekidnap nwaanyị na dị ije. Ụnụ mana ada ebere ndị Hausa ukwu. Onye ọbụla dị awe. And ya asapeli ya n'isi ka ọ wee mee ya ọfụma. Ya wide your leg very well. And nwa kwa ya ka ọ ka njọ. So ị ga-akụpụrụ ya ka o mee ihe ọjọọ ime. This is the menu. Ị ga-afụ ma osu. So ọ ka mma that na-etiri security na boss. Etinye security. Onye ọbụla enwe ike wejere ebe ọ na-eje. Onwere ịchọla ịnwụ. Na ndị a na-awa anya maka na afọ na-enwere onye na-challenge ife wite egbe. Ọ bụ ife ji awala anya. So internet kịta abịa dịka ọ jụrụ oyi. Dịka fa pipe low. Fa pipe lọkwa low. Fa na-ete mgbe ha ga-azụ season. Ha ga-azụ season. Ha ga-azụ season. Iwu mpanaka.
All right. Good morning, everyone. We have actually been waiting for Justice Omotosho to do the right thing by allowing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to file his appeal. Since 20th of this November, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced to life in prison or imprisonment. Justice Omotosho have been trying to frustrate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's appeal case. And the reason why he's doing that, I really don't know. Now, in a law that you studied, I don't know how Justice Omotosho became a judge. I don't know how he got into that power. I really don't know. Now, the law says a suspect that you have convicted has a right under your law to file for appeal if it's not okay with the judgment of the court. Now, you're trying to frustrate that same law by telling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that the prison people have to be involved, aware that he has to write to the federal government. It is not Nigeria's law. It is not by force that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must get those people involved. It is not right. Omotosho is making sure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's date passes and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not have any chance to fight for his rights under Nigerian constitution. That is why I keep telling all of you that this, no matter what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does in Nigeria, they are not ready to give him justice. That is why I keep saying that. And somebody will come and say, oh, that we are discouraged. Bro, if you feel discouraged, get out of my comment section. If you feel discouraged about what is happening, then pack and leave. Nobody's getting discouraged there. Saying, oh, that somebody was just writing rubbish yesterday. You can write all this nonsense, but you cannot use it to channel this your energy to the federal government. Do you see me being weak? Do you see somebody like me being weak? On what the injustice will continue to call them out. These people are terrorists. Omotosho is a terrorist. He's using the courtroom to terrorize Nigerian citizens. That is why Tinubu kept him there. That is why Akpabio gave him that position. That is why Wike gave him that position. Terrorizing the citizens of Nigeria. Omotosho is not supposed to be a judge. Look at what he's doing. How can a judge say you must copy the prison warders? Is it not the court that gives order to the prison warders? Is it not the court that gives order to the federal government of Nigeria or federal government of any country? Court has to summon them, not you. Not the accused person or the convicted person, summoning those people, informing them of your decision. Omotosho is going too far with this nonsense he's doing, and we must stand up. And for you that are looking for somebody who is defeated, go and tell your brother that he's a defeated person. Fools everywhere. You will just come and be writing rubbish and thinking that is the way you think is the way every other person thinks. So please, Yorubas, we are warning you people. Tell your brother to allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to file his appeal case in peace. Otherwise, anyways, let me not go that route. But Yorubas, I'm warning you people to warn your brother, Justice Omotosho, Injustice Omotosho, to allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to do the right thing. This time around, we are not going to be joking. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu date passes, Nigeria will come down by the grace of God. If you don't allow Mazi, we have been patient, we have just been allowing, we have been civil. Even when you pronounce the jail terms, people, they said, oh, calm down, calm down. We have been very civil. Do not push us to the wall. Do not push us to the wall. Justice or injustice or Omotosho, don't push Biafrans to the wall.
Look at, they are making mockery of their own brother. Apart from very dark man in this video, the other person saying forever, Bundi Igbo, they are making mockery of their own brother. Some people got some na Harris and Abro Igbo, no Bonye Delta. They forget na Delta but part of Igbo. Only Igbo are against Only Igbo. Because of if on a expect from only outsider. Just look at, they are making mockery of him. Okay, for this case of Harrison, Okadina court. Which means Harrison can be innocent. Obuna kebeziokwu puta. Ka people like us got judges here. But for now, Okade innocent. I wonder Onyi Igbo see that against Onyi Igbo without evidence. A love only outsider more than your own brother. Obodo so na this Harrison no. E watch other things in eme. I ga for Onyi Igbo puta. That against Onyi Igbo. Which kind of love can you ebe onye outsider no more than your own person? When ndidi, we go do ndidi. Can kebe eziokwu puta. Obu na kebe eziokwu puta. Everybody are judges here Harrison. But as of now, Okade innocent. Why are you people making mockery of him? Just watch. Look at. All of them Bochandi Igbo, except very dark man. They are making mockery of him. Tomorrow we keboge.
What I will not do, okay, is to pay bandits, give them monthly allowance, or send food to them in the name of non-kinetic. It's nonsense. We are empowering bandits.
It's both crazy and sad how Nigeria's political class treats its citizens. Take Monsieur El-Rufai, for example. He recently went on Channels TV with Seun Okinbaloy and blasted the APC for paying bandits. But let's not forget, this same El-Rufai once defended the very same policy as governor, even insisting it was the only solution.
And yes, we offered them money. We said, look, if we have to pay you not to kill our people, we're happy to do it.
Is that the only solution that you're adopting, to pay them to stop the killing?
That is the only solution we can see. If anyone has a better solution, he should give us.
And that's the problem. Our leaders rely on our silence and short memory. We must start holding them accountable for both their words and their actions. Because as long as we allow tribalism and party loyalty to blind us, Nigeria will keep sliding further down this dangerous path.